Hello, good day sir. We are Group 1 and we're ready to present our capstone project. But before that, we introduce ourselves first. My name is Christian Lloyd Augis.
I am Nisil Cabiluna.
I am Regina Abilia.
And I am John Ares Cabuenas.
In introduction of inventory management system as a software or process used by business to track, manage, and optimize the flow of goods, product, or materials within the operation. The primary goal of an IMS to ensure that the right quantity of items are available at the right time and location to meet customer demand while minimizing costs associated with overstocking or stockouts. Access to healthcare is a fundamental need, and it's essential that every individual, regardless of their economic background or geographic location, has the opportunity to maintain good health. Barangay Health Center is a crucial institution that provides a wide range of health service at the local level, making healthcare more accessible, affordable, and community-centered. Its importance cannot be overstated as it is a cornerstone of public health in the country.
The main problem of our clientele is the lack of proper inventory to keep track of their stocks and equipments, as they are still using the traditional style of recording their stocks, which cause multiple errors. That's why we suggested an inventory management system for our clientele.
So our main project designs and implementing an efficient inventory management system to streamline the storage, monitoring, and distribution of medical supplies in Barangay Manipis Health Center. The system covers tracking of various items and medicines, medical equipments, and other essential supplies, ensuring real-time updates and minimizing stockouts and preventing overstocking.
As stated in the first video, our clientele faces the challenges related to inventory management. Their problems stems from stockouts, overstocking, and difficulties in keeping an accurate records and reportings. Our system helps with this problem with these features.
Use access level. Restriction of access based on rules, stops, and admin. Dashboard displays, where the current stocks, low stocks, alerts, and expired items are displayed. Item categories, which has the organized list of the categories. Stock monitoring, which tracks or monitor the supplies. Alerts notification, notify of the inventory is low on stocks near expiration dates and orders reminders. Search, locate items quickly by searching the name of the category. In conclusion, the inventory management system for Barangay Manipis Health Center, they can also receive notification if the stocks are running low, are nearing its expiring date by simply logging in using their username and password that is generated by the user to be stored in the database form from the system.